Okay, this is writing formulas for covalent compounds from names. Okay, let's read the directions together. To write the formula for a covalent compound, remember covalent is two nonmetals, only nonmetals. You do not look up the oxidation numbers, so you do not need an ion chart for this. No charges. We simply write down what the prefixes say as subscripts. Okay, mono is not used on the first element, just write the symbol without a subscript. Okay, so what does that mean? Right here, let's look at the example. We've got S and O, right? So we're going to look those up on our periodic table. Now let's remember, S is sulfur, O is oxygen, okay? So what do we've got here? We've got sulfur trioxide, okay? So we've got one sulfur, and this right here tells me how many oxygen. And right here, 3 is tri, so that's why it's trioxide. Remember, the second element gets that IDE ending. So I've got one sulfur, because there's no prefix, and how many oxygen? 3. All right, on this one, I've got dinitrogen. So how many nitrogen do I have? 2. Pentasulfide. And again, remember that second element gets the IDE ending. So if you're confused, you can get your ion chart, and there's sulfide, oxide. Okay, that can help you find those. And how many sulfur do we have? We have penta. Okay, and what's penta? 5. So I put a 5 there. All right, let's look at our first one. Dinitrogen. So how many nitrogen? 2. And remember, this is a subscript, so it's a little number. All right, oxide, which is oxygen. How many oxygen? Penta. So I go and find penta, 5. And there's my answer. So you're just going to keep doing that all the way down.